Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliates. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets here. Sorry about that. We're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets here because you guys are just starting and so on and so forth. So we're just starting with minimal effort. This don't take no time at all. Once you figure out how to do it, it's like 30 seconds a day, guys, for making money online. I done made $5,000 something doing this. 30 seconds a day once you figure everything out. All right, that's all it takes. I done made $5,000 doing this. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular with this method. It's because it's affiliate system, which is 80%. Not only is it 80%, it's 80% recurring commission. That means you get paid 80% every single month, guys. All right, so $25 business, you get paid $20 every single month. There's another product that's $125, you get paid $100 every single month. It's crazy. All right, it's getting a ton of sales over time. All right, so anyway, guys, we're gonna look at our results here, and we're gonna refresh the page. All right, guys, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
All right, so yeah, that's good news there. So I'm getting sales, and that's gonna add to the amount of money I'm making every month, because if they stay in the system, you see what I'm saying? And it's fantastic. All right, so let's move on here, and we want to get you to these pages here. We want you to get your affiliate links. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, okay, so first thing you want to do is come to my video here. You want to click on, go to my description. You want to open this up here, and you want to click on join the $25 all-in-one business here. You want to click on this link here, guys. That's all you need to do. You click on this link, it'll take you to this page here, which is going to talk more about how to make money online. See, you say $20 and $100 monthly commissions, and it got a bunch of more information about what this product is and all this and that. But important part is this affiliate system, though. Then you click yes, I want in. And you just click on this right here. You can put in all your information, all that to purchase the product here for $25. Also, this right here, this is the $125. This is the $100 product here, guys. And the reason why you want this, what it is traffic conversions. It got a content machine as well. You can just type in, write me an article, stuff like that. And yeah, it's $125 per month. And the reason why you want this, guys, is because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So for example, if you were to go through him and not gotten this product, right, and then you got somebody in the system that does get this product, you will get the $20 from the $25, but you would not get the $100 from the $125 if you don't have the product as well. All right, guys, so I want to make sure to clarify that. So once you do that, guys, you're gonna take it to a video something like this. All right, page like this, not video, page, I'm sorry, I'm messing it up, going a little too fast, all that is. But anyway, you're gonna get to this page here, look something like this once you make your account and all that good stuff. And affiliate zone is what you want to click on. I'm already on it, and you're gonna scroll down and you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here, and it's gonna take you to this page here. You just put in your information here. Very simple information. You signed up just like that. So you log into SoundCard. That's going to take you to this page here, and you got your affiliate links just that easily. You see how fast and easy that was? You got your affiliate links. All right, guys, might take you a little longer to do it. Just pause my video when you need to, you know what I mean? Not a big deal. You'll figure it out. It's very simple. It's a very simple thing. Now, the next thing you need to do here, you want to go to your my second link right here. It says step 2. Now you need My Lead Gen Secret. You need a way to promote that affiliate link. So you click on My Lead Gen Secrets here, and it's going to take you to this page here. And basically what this is, what the My Lead Gen Secrets is, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email every single day. So for example, today you might get 100 leads. Tomorrow you'll have 200 leads, because add 100 leads to it. You see what I'm saying? 300, so on and so forth. But you can only mail them once a day, because they got a system set up where you don't overload people with emails. All right. So anyway, guys, so you're gonna log in here, make your account, whatever. All right. So make your account. You get here, so you can see your leads right here. You want to, but all you need to do is come to the mailing system here. You can also buy email swipes if you want to, but I'm gonna show you my email swipe, so you don't really need to, but you can if you want to. So I'm just gonna go to my next email swipe. See, I got a bunch of email swipes loaded up in the system, so I don't have to really write them. So that's why I say this only takes 30 seconds a day to do, because simply you'll have your emails in the system, so you just rotate them. You see what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, we're gonna load up another email here. Boom, we're just gonna load it up, put it in there. You got a chance to copy if you wish to. Just pause the video if you want to copy. I'll make sure to show the whole email real quick. Hold up. All right, that's about it. Just pause it when you need to copy it. All right, so put your link right here. Very simple process. You just click on the link here. You make sure you click on perfect timing. What that does is send an email around time people check emails, better chance of them opening. So anyway, you got preview here. You want to click on preview just to make sure your link works here. My link does work, so we don't have to worry about that. And we send an email and we're done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, very, very quick. And you're done. And I made $5,000 doing this, guys. This very simple method. All right, guys. And that's all it takes, guys. Very simple, quick, and easy way to make money online. The easiest way I've seen to make money online. And if you want to really delve into it, you can really start promoting in all kinds of different ways. But this is the simplest, easiest way to promote an affiliate link, period. All right, guys. The thing about the leads in this system is that they're interested in making money. So that's perfect for our product. All right. So that's why this works so well. So like I said, but don't expect, like, these are real people you're talking to here. You're sending emails to. So sometimes they might not respond. You're not got 100 leads. It's just a numbers game, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you subscribe. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye, have a beautiful time.